Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun drawing video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Silver the Hedgehog. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Silver the Hedgehog, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come up and then down to here. Next, right here, we're going to make part of the nose. We'll make a little bump. Then we're going to make a little oval shape like this. Next, I'm going to curve a line here, and I'll curve a line here. Then for the eye, we'll bring this shape down, and then we'll bring the shape down here. We'll make a little oval and we'll color in most of it, leaving a little bit white, and we'll do the same thing over here. And we'll bring a little line down here. We're going to color that in just a bit, and we'll do the same thing. Bring this down and just kind of color it in. Then we'll just draw a line down here and a line down here. Next, we're going to bring this line down and up here. We're going to bring this line up and then down here. Now, let's make his spikes. So we're going to continue off of the eye, and we're going to bring a line out, and then we're going to curve it up and down. Same thing, bring this out to a point, and then curve this up and down. We're going to bring this line up to a point and then down. We're going to bring this line up to a point and then down. And we're going to bring this line nice and tall to a point and then down. Now we're going to make the ear over here. So let's make a little small line that goes out and down. And the same thing here, goes out and down. Curve this down and in, and then down and in. Line here and a line here. Curve this down, and then curve this down. Now, before we do his big spikes back here, we're going to leave these open because we got to draw a little bit more of his body first. Now, we're going to make his chest right now. So let's make some little pointed lines that kind of come down here. And we're going to bring these up like this. So it's almost like a V shape. We'll draw a little line down for part of the body. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come out and down for the leg. We'll make a little curve, and we'll bring this up and back. We'll curve here, and this time we'll make a line that's going to come straight down, a little longer, and then another one that comes straight down with a curve. Let's make an oval right around here. Then we're going to go down, curve, and then up. We'll make a line here, and then a line down here. Then we're going to go over and up, and then we'll bring this line over, and then we'll curve it up to here. Next, we'll draw a line across, and then let's bring this down. Then we can make two little lines right in here. Over here, we'll make an oval. Line down, curve, and then line up. Line down, and then we're going to curve this one out. Then we're going to bring this back and up. curve this one around. But we'll make a line that curves up here. 2 lines down. And a little square rectangle shape in there. And we'll draw the line here. I'll bring this line up. Then I'm going to curve a line here and curve a line here. Now we want to leave a little bit of space, and we're going to make his hand. So we're going to start by bringing this line around here for the thumb. We're going to bring this down and up, and then down and up to here. Let's bring this up, and we'll loop it around. And we can come down for a finger. We're going to go up and around for another finger and down. We're going to go around here and down. And then we're just going to bring one right to here. Next, we're going to make a circle or oval shape on his hand and then another one inside. Then let's go up and curve and down. Now over here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and over. Then another one, we're going to go down and over. Then let's make kind of like a rectangle shape here. And we'll make 2 lines inside of here. Now we're going to make this fist kind of closed. So let's go up and bring this around. And then here we're going to go down and curve it around. We'll make 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. And we'll do the 2 kind of circular oval shapes in there. And 2 little lines here. And then we can do 2 lines right here. Next, I'm going to make a spike back here. We're going to go down and up. Then we're going to bring this up to here. Then right here, we're going to make the spike come down to the arm. Then we're going to jump up and bring it back. Same thing here. We're going to bring this down. And then we're just going to bring this up to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Silver the Hedgehog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.